King Baga, ne?
Yeah, I know that boy.
That guy.
No, kibo nabo baloinyana bana. I'm going to deal with them. That's why kibatla hoye. Look, he knows King Baga. He's a small boy. Once he mentioned, and he thought I will not get out of prison. That's why he prophesied. King Baga is talking. Actually, he's not a king. He's a small boy. All right. He wants. Even Kethlelezi is better than him. All right. He's a very small boy. He doesn't. Usaphuma mafinyela lo mfana. Usadla mafinyelo King Baga. Uyazi now ayikho into ongangenza yona. Ngiphumile ejele and so on. So
hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. And shortly, days or weeks after that initial interview with, of course, Prophet Mboro at that podcast where he basically called King Baga a small boy. You guys, this comes after, King Baga at the time when Mboro was incarcerated, he was busy doing like multiple of his so-called prophecies about Mboro. And of course, according to Mboro, he was, speaking a lot of crap about him basically when he was in jail, knowing very well, according to Mboro, King Baga said whatever he said about him because he thought that Mboro was not gonna, be out and released in jail. So Pastor Mboro says that is a small boy. I want to face him and deal with him. He says that King Baga and of course Kethlelezi, would do anything for cloud, including their fake prophecies. Mboro Oti, I am not scared of you guys. I am unfazed of you guys. Now King Baga decided to just do this respond, and he says that people have been tagging him and mentioning him under that video. And they waited for him to respond, and he responds and says that, Mboro is nothing but an old man. So let me not waste your time, but quickly insert this video. But before I do that, of course, engage your thoughts with me in the comments section.
So ngizwile elinye ihlamvu. Baningi bangisendela ihlamvu. Bethi King Baga phendula nanti ihlamvu. Into esindwa amabhantshi. Thiwa mina ngizophendula nje uzavolo njalo. Can you imagine the whole King Baga ngivele ngizophendula ihlamvu. Into athi noma uyibuka understand ukuthi kahle lesifo esimbambe kangaka samngena nini. Uyabona ukuthi iyagula. Uyambona uyagula. Ngizophendula into eyifelayo bafethu. Into ezovesana ihohloke nje lapha eGoli ivele ihohloke nje. Awucabange nje sengimile mina. Sekuthiwa ngiphendula loya majazana. Nizongithatha kanjani mhlawumbe ngiphendula izinje ezifayo? Nizongithatha kanjani? Nizoqhubeka ningihloniphe mhlawumbe ngiphendula izinja? Uthini wena lapho khona? Hayi King Baga nanti ihlamvu likubiza ngomfana omncane. Umbuzo uthi ngampela ke wena ufuna ngiphendule le nto le? Into ekwazi ukuzicontradicta yona. Ngoba phela ngasho mina ngathi loya muntu le yahlamvu ayi lento elithi liyikholwa ayikho into ethi liyikholwa. Ayikho inja engabeka inzipho ezingaka nje. Ukuba clean kukodwa. It's next to the godliness. Ukuba clean kukodwa. Awukwazi ukuthi wena uthi I praise you God kodwa uyinuku. I praise you God kodwa uphatha inkemba esymbolizer ukuthi iphathwa uSathane ezulwini uyiphethe emhlabeni wena. Awukwazi ukuthi uthi God kodwa ukhuluma ukuthi wena ungasilayisa abantu uchitha igazi labantu. Bese uthi I praise God. uNkulunkulu akazwani nokuchitheka kwegazi. uNkulunkulu akazwani nomsongalawuleki. Uma mina sengichaza ngithi le mpatha ihamba izinyanga ngenhlanhla mayisikhuluma yavela yayigaxelisa. Yathi iyamazi ngisho usigujana ungcono. Uyabona usigujana ungcono. ngeke uthi into ingcono ungakaze uyitest njengoba ethi uSigujana ungcono ingoba vele uSigujana uyaconfirm ecela ngendlela yakhe naye ukuthi hayi le nyoni yakuyafika ngale yaminyaka ixakwe izinto zayo ijahwe egoli yafika ijahwa iyofuna usizo kuSigujana uyenzile ifile uSigujana wavele wayikhola into order ukuthi kahle ndoda mina mangabe ngangikusiza ngangusiza private kodwa mawusuzoveza uthi ngingcono phela basila abantu bazobona ukuthi ungahambile wena akusho mina isho lo yena inyoni